If you live in an area prone to severe weather, protecting your home is vital. And one of the most important things you can do is to cover your windows and doors. I'm going to show you how to do it right. An effective option for protecting your windows is to use clear polycarbonate hurricane shutters. These panels allow light in, which is ideal in the event of a power outage, or if you're installing them days prior to the storm. They're also extremely strong and easier to handle than plywood. Start by measuring each window and then add 8 inches all the way around to the height and width. Keep in mind that if there's a windowsill, you'll want to accommodate for that by only adding 4 inches to the height. You'll later add a mounting bracket on top of the sill to help secure the shutter. When you have your measurements, a Lowe's associate can help you determine how much material to buy. Also, depending on how your walls were built, you'll need to get the appropriate mounting materials. There are different needs for wood, brick, or block, and it's critical to select the correct hardware. Now, measure, mark, and using a circular saw with a fine-tooth blade, cut the panels for each window. You'll want to mark holes 6 inches from the corners and 1 inch from the edge. Then, mark along all edges no more than every 12 inches. Now, you're ready to drill the holes into the panels. Being certain the UV side is on the outside, center the panel in place over the window. Mark the hole locations from the panel directly onto the house. Set the panel aside and drill the holes. Drive the anchors at these points. Once you've removed the panel's interior protective plastic seal, place the panel over the anchors to cover the window. Secure the washers and wing nuts, being cautious not to over-tighten, which can damage the panel and your home exterior. Then, remove the exterior protective seal. It's a good idea to label each panel with the appropriate window. This will make it much easier to place the panel in the future. Panels can be placed over doors, vents, or other vulnerable openings. Large doors or windows can be covered using an H-panel connector, which allows for 2 panels to be joined together. Once the storm is past and it's safe to go outside, check for damage and carefully remove the panels. You should then cover the anchors with paintable protective caps. For additional severe weather tips and products, visit Lowes.com.